Myself, Professor P.S. Baste from KGAT College of Horticulture. Today we are going to see the different diseases of citrus. There are different diseases in the citrus: citrus gummosis, anthracnose of citrus, and powder mildew of citrus. First, gummosis of citrus. It is fungal type of disease. Profuse gumming on the surface of the attack dark is main symptom. When gumming occurs on the stem, droplets of gum droplets trickle down the stem. The bark shows conspicuous drawn staining along with the hardened mass of the gum on the surface. It gradually turns dark brown and develops longitudinal cracks. When scraped, the affected stem turn brown black. Gumming starts close to the soil. The disease spreads on the main roots and around the base of the trunk. As a result of severe gumming, the bark becomes completely rotten and the tree dries, owing to the gardening effect. Prior to the death, the tree usually blossoms heavily and uh, dies before the fruit matures. In such cases, the disease is called as fruit rot or color rot. Affected fruits develop brown rot. Causal organism Phytophthora palmivora. Mode of spread: the fungus survive on the fallen fruits, twigs, leaves, and in the cracks of the trees. Epidemiology: serious occurrence of the disease is noticed in sweet orange, acid lime, and lemon. Heavy soil, high water table, and high soil moisture are favorable for the disease development. Development of the disease. Control measures: use of the resistant rootstocks, proper drainage facilities. Injuries of the plant should be avoided. Continuous contact with trunk with the water has to be avoided. Double ring basin system around the trunk. Planting pits may be dusted with a mixture of zinc, a spraying of the copper sulfate, spraying of the Borax mixture 1% are the different control measures used to control the gummosis of citrus. Anthracnose of citrus. It is fungal type of disease. The disease affects branches, leaves, and fruits. The fruit is affected. Plant is affected at all stages. The weakened or injured twigs and branches are generally affected. The branches begin to wither from the tip downwards. The drying back gradually progresses downwards, with the leaves turning yellow, withering and drooping. Gum formation on the affected stem. Black dot-like acerulae appearance in large numbers. Fungus. It is caused by Colletotrichum gliosporides. Epidemiology. Decline. It causes decline of acid lime trees in North India. Deficiency of nitrogen and unfavorable soil environment. Soil conditions. The plant weak and susceptible to the disease. Management. Dry twigs should be pruned. The cut end should be protected with the painting with Borax mixture. Trees are sprayed with carbendazim 0.1%. Trees should be properly irrigated. Periodical spraying with Borax mixture 1% are the different control measures to control the anthracnose disease. Powdery mildew of the citrus. It is also fungal type of disease caused by Diplodia natalensis. It affects sweet orange and mandarins. Gum oozes from one or two spots near fork of the bigger limbs. Infection usually high to avoid the ground. Infection starts at the cracks. Bark is killed. Gum oozes out, dry and become black. Exudation may stop after some time. This may be confined to certain seasons of the year. Wood becomes discolored into shade of the brown. Large limbs are killed. Sometimes branches dried at the infection portion. Epidemiology: reduced tree vigor, insect damage, poor nutrition are the favorable conditions to develop the disease. Mode of spread: the pathogen spread pycnidiospores with the help of wind and rain splashes. Management: collection and burning of the affected tree parts. Trees should be kept in vigorous growing condition. Wound are the in the base, especially on limbs and forks, should be scraped and protected with Borax mixture. These are the different management practices to control the powdery mildew of citrus.